In a realm where creativity flowed as freely as water, a group of visionary builders embarked on a magnificent journey to construct a haven that would redefine luxury. Their vision: a beautiful overflow pool seamlessly integrated with a villa crowned with rooftop water slides, all meticulously crafted from the enchanting allure of magnetic balls. The tale commenced with the careful selection of magnetic spheres, each one destined to become a vital part of the aquatic masterpiece. The builders envisioned not just a pool and villa but a symphony of water and magnetic magic that would captivate the senses. As the magnetic balls clicked and connected, a harmonious rhythm emerged, setting the stage for a story where every connection echoed with the promise of aquatic opulence. The first chapter unfolded with the construction of the Overflow pool, a shimmering expanse designed to blend seamlessly with its surroundings. Transparent walls, formed by magnetic balls, allowed the water to spill gently over the edges, creating a visual spectacle that mirrored the elegance of nature. The builders marveled at the pool's ability to overflow in a controlled dance, a testament to the harmonious union of innovation and aquatic beauty. With the Overflow pool standing as a testament to their ingenuity, attention turned to the villa, an architectural wonder destined to be more than just a dwelling. The rooftop water slides became the focal point, each curve and twist crafted with magnetic precision. The builders envisioned a journey from the heights of the villa to the refreshing depths of the pool below, a thrilling adventure shaped by the allure of magnetic magic. As the water slides curved gracefully and the villa reached its zenith, the builders marveled at the sight before them. The ASMR experience heightened the joy, as the magnetic clicks and snaps provided a therapeutic backdrop to the construction, echoing the tranquility of flowing water and the excitement of creation. The grand reveal marked a moment of triumph. The beautiful Overflow pool and the villa with rooftop water slides stood as a testament to the limitless possibilities when creativity met magnetic magic. The comment section echoed with admiration, viewers expressing art, the seamless blend of innovation, architectural beauty, and the soothing sounds that envelop the DIY sanctuary. In the heart of this aquatic masterpiece, the builders reveled in the joy of having woven not just a physical creation but a narrative where luxury, innovation, and the allure of magnetic spheres converged. The beautiful Overflow pool and the villa with rooftop water slides became more than a project. They were a symbol of the extraordinary joy that emerges when imagination takes a plunge into the magical waters of DIY creation. And so, in the realm of DIY dreams, the saga of the beautiful Overflow pool and the villa with rooftop water slides endured as a celebration of ingenuity and the immersive magic of magnetic spheres. The builders cherished the memory of crafting not just an aquatic wonderland but a story where the joy of creation flowed as freely as the waters in their opulent sanctuary.